All right, well, this is a first day in the shop video of a nice, more than nice, beautiful 73 Norton Cafe Racer. Beautifully built. Gentleman just purchased it. He has a 75 and likes the electric starter, so we're going to put an Alton electric starter on this bike. I'll show you the starter. It's really cool. But anyway, isn't this lovely? And it's in good company. We got the yellow one over here. That's beautiful. Got my bike behind it. And here comes a loud-ass Harley Davidson, just welcoming himself home. Okay, now if we'll just turn that thing off. Okay, then the whole neighborhood knows he's home. Anyway, this beautiful green one here is just about done. The beautiful yellow one is waiting for a new speedometer. My red one is sitting there sleeping. We have the black one up here. We're going to work on the front wheel. We're going to take those lower legs to the polisher today. Let's walk over and take a look at the Alton starter. This is what you get when you buy an Alton starter. You get a whole new inner primary case with the motor mounted. That's your starter motor. You get a new alternator. Right here's your rotor. Here's your stator. And then all the necessary bits and pieces, relay, cable, just about everything you need to install it. If you're lucky and the bike has the original starter switch on the right-hand handlebar, you can hook that in, or you can mount your own. And only other thing you need besides this is a nice healthy battery. Luckily, Norton battery boxes are large enough so you can put just about any battery you want to in there. Take a look at how they use the alternator, how they put the alternator wires through the back of the case. They're nicely sealed. That's lovely. And it's just beautifully made. There's a couple of other ones on the market. Colorado Norton Works has a really nice electric starter also. And this is the Alton from France, which is a French starter for a British bike. I've probably installed 10, 11, 12 of these things, and they work really well. Matter of fact, I have one on my bike over here. I'll just go over and let you see what it looks like installed. And there it is down there. Let's do a little zooming. And it nestles in there just beautifully. So, that's where we are today, and we're going to take these to the polisher, stop off at the wheel shop and get the wheel, at the motor tower and get the wheel, put this one over into an empty slot, and do something else starting tomorrow. Something else. Anyway, that's where we are. Nice status report on the whole shop.